Hello there, this is a quick unbox of this Honeywell Home programmable thermostat. Okay, I got it from Amazon and I'm going to unbox here, and later in different videos I'm going to show more details. So let's just unbox it. Removing it from the box. Welcome home. Here we go, the thermostat. Okay, you have the LCD in front of it, of course, and then you have here some buttons to control the temperature, the menu. You can use this button for setup, hold and run, right? And here you have option for heat, off and cool. Just a pretty basic button that you just move to different position and you have what you want. Either it's cool or it's heat or it's off. I like that because it's pretty simple to use, right? Just move to the way you want, the position that you want, you're good to go. And also with the fan, you can put in this auto position or on, okay? Just like this. Here at the back, you see that you need to remove the wall plate. Just pull here. Let's try it. So here we go. How do I do that? Don't know yet. Let me just find out. It says pull here. Let me just try. Yeah, here we go. Okay, I could do it. So here you can change to gas or oil, electric or heat pump. And here are the terminals, right? You're going to connect this. If you work with the thermostat, you know usually how to connect that. You have the wires and here the colors, right? You have the B, O, G, Y, W, now use it R and C. R for red, you see usually B here is for blue, and yellow, green, and keep going like this, right? So let's see more. If you have more information here, have US patent pending, things like that. You have battery location here. Just put the battery and you're good to go. Okay, pretty basic. It's an affordable device, right? And then you put the batteries here. You connect your cables here, of course, and then you put it back. Let's see how easy it is to close, because I'm just opening this for the first time. So here we go. Just close it again. So pretty basic. This is the size you see on the palm of my hand. And let's take a look at what I have here. You have also the screws, so you can use screws and anchors. And here's some paperwork, more paperwork from Honeywell. Oh, here labels. You can use the labels, label your device. And here you have the user's menu, which is pretty good because you're gonna have all the details here. For installation, you see what I was talking about here, about the colors. So you have the wires, the labels that you can use. You can remove your old device and put this one, or put this one if you don't have a thermostat yet. Instructions here, how you're gonna use it. Pretty good. The menu is very, very good. It has all the information that you need here, how to program it as well. You see, for time, temperature, wake up, alarms, sleep, return. That's important because manual is everything to make it work good, right? You have a 1-year warranty, which is pretty good as well. And you have also the information in different languages, like Spanish, for example, which is also good. Spanish speakers and English speakers, right? So pretty good. So guys, this is just a quick unbox. If you want one like this, just go to Amazon and get yours.